What I wish I knew about blockchain before I thought it was just about Bitcoin? Spoiler, it's not. Hey there! So, you've probably heard of blockchain and thought, isn't that just Bitcoin's fancy cousin? Well, think again. Blockchain is basically a super secure digital ledger. Imagine a highly trusted notebook that everyone can see but no one can secretly change. It's like the ultimate group project where nobody can cheat. Here's how it works. Transactions are recorded in blocks, and each block is linked to the previous one, forming, yep, you guessed it, a chain. This makes hacking practically impossible because you'd have to change every block in the chain. Good luck with that. But wait, there's more. Blockchain isn't just for cryptocurrencies. It's used in supply chains to track products from start to finish, in healthcare for secure patient records, and even in voting systems to prevent fraud. So next time someone says blockchain is all about crypto, you can chime in with, actually, it's changing the world in ways you wouldn't believe. Cool, right? Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more nifty knowledge nuggets.